If you're here to learn how to run performance reviews that don't suck, you're in the right place. And I promise, in under 3 minutes, you'll know exactly what to do and what to avoid. Most managers dread performance reviews. Most employees hate them, but that's only because they're usually done wrong. Stick around because I'm going to give you the exact structure that actually works. And if you want to follow along, I've dropped an exclusive free trial to my recommended performance review software in the description, only for viewers of my channel. Now, here's the truth. Bad performance reviews feel like interrogations. Good ones feel like two people solving a puzzle together. Your job isn't to critique, your job is to coach. So, before the meeting even starts, prep. That means reviewing the employee's goals, their actual performance data, and collecting 360 feedback from coworkers if available. Don't wing it. And whatever you do, don't rely on memory or vibes. Second, start the meeting with context. Set the tone. Say something like, "This review is about helping you grow, not just grading your past." That instantly lowers the walls. Then, ask them how they think they've done. You'll get valuable insights and it builds trust right from the start. Now shift to what's gone well. Be specific. You increased client satisfaction scores by 17% last quarter. That stood out. This isn't about flattery, it's about showing you noticed the right things. Then, cover what needs improvement. Again, be clear and objective. Tie it back to impact. Missing 3 deadlines affected our launch timeline by a week. Focus on behavior, not personality. Avoid vague labels like unmotivated or distracted. Next, get aligned on goals moving forward. Make them SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Don't say communicate better. Say send weekly progress updates by Friday noon. That's clarity. Finally, ask what they need from you. Coaching doesn't stop with feedback. It's also about removing blockers. Maybe they need better tools, more autonomy, or clearer priorities. This is where real performance gains happen. And if you're thinking, okay, but how do I keep track of all this? That's where software helps. I've tested all the big names and there's one that stands out. I've linked an exclusive free trial in the description that's only available to viewers of this channel. It gives you templates, tracks goals, and even reminds you when check-ins are due. So performance reviews stop being a scramble. Now, here's the key takeaway. Performance reviews that don't suck are conversations, not verdicts. They're future-focused, not just a look in the rearview mirror. Quick recap. Prep before the meeting. Open with context. Let them self-assess. Highlight wins with specifics. Address gaps with clarity. Set SMART goals. Ask how you can support. And use the right tool to make it all repeatable. If you found this helpful, check the description for the exclusive free trial I mentioned. It's free, no strings, and it'll make your next review process way smoother. Thanks for watching.